Right now we're just waiting for our Uber. Need to condense it down. Where? Is he on the other side?
Yeah, must be.
Re-spotted him. We're on our way to go put our luggage in the boot. There he is. Sorry, cab. Cab. We're going to be the first ones.
This is the breakfast at Jaden's chosen hotel.
Omelette and my fried rice smelling here.
Essential.
Got toast.
Some toast.
Got my water.
Got my almond milk coffee today. No oat milk in 7-Eleven, so we had to go with almond. And some fried eggs with fried rice. And a banana.
25-minute walk in this heat. Thailand's such a lovely place. However, it stinks. When you walk past the bins, you have to hold your breath.
Okay, wait, let me just see how much it is. For a shake, a bubble waffle, 209 baht. Okay. Does this one have dairy?
Yes.
It does. Oh my god. Dying for it.
It's this woman.
It should be down here.
Ignorance is bliss. We never likes asking anyone anything. Just likes being lost. This one, you can't find that.
They don't know where it is.
Right now we're on a mission to go find this post office. And it is getting a bit frustrating and it's getting a bit hot. It's not his language.
No. Not called that. It can't be.
So it looks like we've got some progress. He's doing it now. Right now we're on our way to the airport and he's saying it will take us to the airport link for free. I see something over there. Just touched down in Bangkok airport. Yeah, departure C for our flight. That's at 5 o'clock. It's been a long day. We've been beefing. Gotta keep it real. Also, we've had to go take like 2 taxis, a tuk-tuk, train. No, we didn't get the bus.
Waiting for the bus for 20 minutes.
Yeah, we was waiting for the bus. going to board right now. We're going to Phnom Penh.
In Cambodia.
Yeah, in Cambodia.
Vietjet Air.
It's an A320. Smooth joint. Let's just pray that the pilot's covered and we get there safely. It's only an hour and 15-minute journey. En route to Cambodia. Just landed in Cambodia safely. A little bit turbulent, but other than that, it was cool. You know, the airport hustle is insane. You get people left, right and centre asking, you want a tuk-tuk, do you need a transfer? But they're all trying to bump me. How much?
$7,
$7?
Yeah,
No,
$7.
no, no. And we don't do dollars, we're here in Cambodia.
Unreal.
How much in Cambodian?
Oh, 25, okay. 25,000 here.
20, 20,
Oh, brother, far from
20.
here. 25, okay.
20.
You can do this one.
And far from here.
We'll just do this one, don't worry.
Okay.
Don't worry, it's
25,
okay.
okay.
20. Button for 20. Naughty, naughty. Me.